Well, I'm not a happy camper right now. Last night I came in from a grub ride with the group. Beautiful night. I pulled up on my lift here and it shifted and sent me and the scooter off of the side, and I smashed into my toolboxes and the shelves. I can see some broken headlight glass down there. You can see that the lift is busted because the tracks should run straight, but this is what happened last night because it kicked out. Now I look down here and I got a whole lot of debris in there. I mean, I expect scratches and some damage to plastics, but I can duct tape that. I don't know what I'm going to do about the headlights. So anyway, a pristine machine has got some scars. Hopefully there's nothing real serious. It'll just be all cosmetic. So this, number one, this lift will be dismantled and never used again. And the bike was still running, so I had to shut it off. Well, that's okay. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see what the future brings. Okay, I've got everything out of the way. Let's see if I can drag this rascal out of there and see what kind of damage I've got. Not looking forward to this part. That makes me sick. Here's what she's supposed to look like. Yeah. And here's what she does look like. Are you kidding me? Just a turn signal and some buffing. Oh, thank you, Lord. Not that piece of work. Well, so far anyway. Well, see. Headline. Plastics. Well. Somebody. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I might still be able to ride it before the lights work. Huh. Well, let's see what happens. Yeah. Awesome. Who's a blessed boy?